What's up, remote work fam? Ready to ditch the humdrum office grind and level up to a full-on tropical paradise? Well, buckle up and grab a red stripe because we're taking you on an island adventure to Jamaica, the digital nomad's playground where work meets play in perfect harmony. Picture this. You wake up to the soothing soundtrack of waves gently lapping at the shore, a warm Caribbean breeze carrying the sweet, intoxicating scent of fresh mangoes and salty ocean air. There are no harsh alarm clocks, just pure, blissed-out vibes. You grab your laptop, stroll down to the beach, and bam! Your new office has a view that would make Silicon Valley bigwigs green with envy. This isn't a dream, people. It's the Jamaican reality, where productivity and paradise merge into one delicious, rum-infused cocktail of awesomeness. We've 10 solid gold reasons why Jamaica should be at the top of your list for your next remote work destination. So, slide into something beachy, grab an ice-cold red stripe, and get ready to have your mind blown like a conch shell. 1. Culture explosion. Jamaica isn't just a stunning island escape. It's a vibrant, pulsating kaleidoscope of music, dance, art, and straight-up good vibes that'll energize your workday like a triple shot of Blue Mountain coffee. The infectious beats of reggae and dancehall will have you grooving at your standing desk, while the warm smiles and welcoming spirit of the locals will make you feel like you're part of one big, happy Jamaican family. 2. Nature's masterpiece. Forget those drab, soul-crushing office walls. In Jamaica, your backdrop is a jaw-dropping, awe-inspiring natural wonderland crafted by Mother Nature herself. We're talking lush, emerald-hued rainforests teeming with exotic birds and critters, cascading waterfalls that'll leave you breathless, and pristine, powder-soft beaches with water so blue it looks like it was stolen straight from the Caribbean heavens. Prepare to be the envy of your co-workers back home while you soak up endless inspiration from the great outdoors. 3. Stretch that dollar. Listen up, money minds. In Jamaica, your hard-earned cash goes further than Usain Bolt in the 100-meter dash. You can live like an absolute monarch without going completely broke. Say goodbye to overpriced city living and soul-crushing commutes, and hello to a life of laid-back luxury on a budget that'll make your wallet sing like Bob Marley. 4. Flavor Fiesta. Jamaican cuisine is about to rock your taste buds world if you're a foodie with an insatiable appetite for bold, lip-smacking flavors. From the infamous fiery kick of jerk chicken that'll have you reaching for a cold brew to the unique and unforgettable fusion of ackee and saltfish, every bite packs a flavor explosion straight from the islands. Forget sad desk salads. In Jamaica, your taste buds are always on an epic, spicy vacay. 5. Co-working communities. Don't just work remotely, join the tribe. Jamaica's buzzing co-working spaces are more than just offices with desks. They're global incubators for ideas, connections, and collaborations that know no borders. You'll be rubbing shoulders with innovative thinkers, entrepreneurs, and free spirits from all over the world, swapping stories over a cold red stripe. Or 3. 6. Internet on lock. In today's digital age, reliable internet is straight-up essential, and Jamaica's got you covered with some of the fastest and most robust connectivity in the Caribbean. Whether video conferencing from a breezy beach cabana or uploading that massive project file from a scenic mountain lookout, hey, no judgment if you're a remote work daredevil. You'll stay plugged into the global marketplace like a pro. 7. Locals with love. Don't just take our word for it. The legendary hospitality of the Jamaican people is world famous for a reason. These wonderful humans aren't just friendly neighbors. They're like a great, big, welcoming family who'll make you feel right at home from the moment you step off the plane. The locals are potential collaborators, friends, cultural guides, and all-around good vibes ambassadors who will happily weave you into the colorful fabric of island life. 8. Endless summer. While your friends back home are trudging through sleet and shoveling snow, You'll be soaking up year-round sunshine and summertime vibes in Jamaica's gloriously tropical climate. No more seasonal blues or vitamin D deficiencies, just endless rays, playtime at the beach, and a permanent healthy glow that'll make you look like you just stepped off the set of a pirate movie, in the best way. 9. Creativity overload. Suppose you're a creator, artist, writer, or any maker who craves endless inspiration. In that case, Jamaica's dynamic art and culture scene is a fountain of creative juices that'll have you overflowing with fresh ideas, from grooving to local reggae and dancehall artists, to exploring vibrant art galleries, to witnessing the electrifying magic of traditional dance performances. Creativity and self-expression pulse through every aspect of island life, a constant muse for your work. 10. No problem, Mon. Perhaps the most iconic part of Jamaica's laid-back island vibe is the legendary no-problem attitude that'll have you feeling amazing in no time. This ultra-chill philosophy isn't about brushing off challenges. It's about facing them head-on with a smile, a clever workaround, and a casual coolness that ensures every hiccup or roadblock is just a blip on your radar. With the no-problem mindset, you'll stay chill, focused, and productive no matter what curveballs come your way. So, what are you waiting for, remote work warrior? Jamaica is calling your name with a siren song of sun, sea, soul-shaking culture, and game-changing work-life balance. Why settle for the bare minimum of a vacation when you can live your passion project 24/7 in this island oasis? Join the digital nomad revolution in Jamaica, where the only tough decision you'll face is beach or pool for your next hot desking locale. Yeah, man, life is good on this rock. Don't forget to mash that like button and subscribe for more hot tips on living your best remote work life. One love, fam.